Alright, doing a quick review of this Craftsman power screwdriver. This thing is pretty nice. I'd recommend it for anybody that wants a power screwdriver. And it might help. So it doesn't really have the real nice quick assist like the DeWalt. Okay, there we go. And it's kind of a pain trying to do this one-handed and record at the same time. And the other neat thing, sorry, you can actually drill with it. I mean, I would not recommend that. That would be more like you're in a pinch. I don't really care about this table, just a heads up in case anybody's complaining. Yeah. Works if you need a small hole like